Welcome back. Before moving to the next topic, we will just take a quick review of the topic functions that we have seen so far. And now let's start by bringing back and rewriting the function that we wrote code before, which the years for retirement function that is here. Just a copy and then paste here. First, I need to do this function as a normal expression. For that, I am deleting this arrow mark, and then we need to add here function. And now this is a function expression. And now here I want to export this statement. For that, I am writing here, taking again a function, writing here again function const age, calculating age equal function, and then giving parameter as birth year, and then in that block I'm writing return 2040 minus birth year. This we have done before already. Here we have two functions. Here the parameters with the same name, we have two functions, but this parameter name is same. So this is not a problem at all because this is assigned for this. These two variables are different. Here the parameters acts like a local variable to each function. And now I am deleting this one. And here I am calling that calculating age function, right? Calculating age and then birth year. And now I want to pass arguments for years for retirement. Here write years for retirement. We are passing now the arguments. I am writing here 2000 giving year. Birth year is 2000, and for first name I am writing Priya. Here we have given that birth year is 2000 in this function and first name is Priya. So in this function, we are calling this function call age. So this function's birth year is also changed to the value 2000, and then it returns the value 2040 minus 2000, that is 40. It returns the value 40. And here for this return value, we are storing that value here for this variable. So that's age equal 40. And now go to retirement. Here retirement equal to 65 minus age, that is 40. So that is 25. Here I want to return the number. So I am placing this in comments. Now I want to return the number. And now we have to write console for this. Write console.log. And now reload here, check once. Here the retirement age is 25. So the person has 25 years for retirement. And then I am taking here another example. Paste here. And here this is Maya. And I am giving here 1970. And then reload. See here it is -5. So it is a negative number, which means that he has already retired. Now I want to write here if and else statements. Here if retirement if retirement is greater than 0, if retirement is greater than 0, then we need to enter into the block, and then I am writing here return retirement. So that will display the number. This retirement equals 65 minus what the person's age, and the number will be displayed here if the retirement is greater than 0, or else I want to return -1. This -1 is the kind of standard number in programming. So for that, I'm writing here -1. And then now reload here. So see here, this is -1. And now I want to place this statement here. Return. Here I need to console here. Console.log. Close here. And then if the retirement age is greater than 0, then it comes to here and the number, and here it displays the first name and then retirement age for years. And now here also I am writing a string that console.log, it will display that backwards and then string first name has already retired. So okay, and now let's see the result. Reload. See here, it didn't displayed any result. This is because of we have returned the return statement here. Actually we need to return this statement here. So for that, click on Alt plus up. Okay, let's see. We need to write like this, and here also. So like this we have to write. It will breaks the statement here. So that's why we didn't get any result here. Just reload. And then see, Priya retires in 25 years, and then Maya has already retired. Here this Maya is already retired. It's working, and with this you have a better idea of all these functions. And now here we are having these 3 or function types. This is the example for function declaration. We all familiar with that. Before writing a piece of code, we just need this function here. So, and this is the function name, and these are the parameters, and this is the return. We all familiar with this. This is the example for function expression. We are storing a function in this variable. So, and here also the return, and this is the example for arrow function. This is a one-line function, and these 3 will act as the same for receiving input data and transforming data and then output data. And so this is all about the topic functions. I hope you all will have a clear idea about the function topics. And we will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.